Ciao ragazzi! In this video, you will learn to use comparatives and superlatives. In other words, you will learn to describe things in relation to each other. Let's start by looking at comparative phrases. Comparatives allow us to state that a thing is more than or less than something else. It allows us to essentially rate the qualities of a person or thing. This is the formula we apply when using comparatives. Noun plus the correct conjugation of essere, più or meno, adjective, di, followed by the noun. So, for example, Daniele è più sportivo di Alessandro. Daniele is more sporty than Alessandro. Another example, Venezia è meno caotica di la città di Napoli. So Venice is less chaotic than the city of Napoli. Remember here, when we have di and la, we actually need to combine those, so it becomes della. Venezia è meno caotica della città di Napoli. A relative superlative allows us to say that a thing is superior to all others. It is the most or the least. So it's the pinnacle of a mountain, so to speak. The formula is noun, appropriate conjugation of essere, a definite article, più or meno, adjective, and this is optional, but you can sometimes use di with another noun to follow. So for example, Daniele è il più sportivo della classe. Daniele is the most sporty or the sportiest of the class. Venezia è la città meno caotica dell'Italia. So Venice is the city that is least chaotic in Italy. Absolute superlatives allow us to emphasize the qualities of something or someone, but this time we are not comparing them to anything else. So when we use them, we are saying that something is extremely tall, extremely special, extremely intelligent, etc. So this is the easiest one to use. The formula is simply noun, essere, adjective with issimo, issima, issimi, or issime attached to the end of that adjective. So for example, Daniele è sportivissimo. Daniele is extremely sporty. He is really, really sporty. Venezia è tranquillissima. Venice is extremely calm, very tranquil, extremely tranquil. There are also some special comparatives and superlatives that you should be aware of. For example, if you want to say something is good, buono, we progress to migliore, better, il migliore, the best, and ottimo, excellent, as our absolute superlative. If we want to say something is bad, cattivo, we progress to peggiore, worse, il peggiore, the worst, using the definite article, or pessimo, terrible. If we are emphasizing the size of something, so big, grande, we can use maggiore, and this also means bigger or older, as in fratello maggiore or sorella maggiore. Il maggiore, the major, the most, or the biggest. And then massimo, maximum. Piccolo, small. We'll progress to minore, younger, smaller, minor. Il minore, the youngest, the smallest. Or minimo, the minimum. Using comparatives and superlatives will help you to add depth to your descriptions. Continue to practice using them in your writing and your speaking. Arrivederci e buon lavoro.